Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, let me introduce myself. My name is Vera Vidihastuti. I'm from Raden Mas Said University of Surakarta, English Education Department 5B. In this video, I will explain about lesson plan ADI model. This course is designed to teach writing procedure text to 7th grade students of MTSN 5 Sragen. The goal of this course is to teach students how to write good and correct procedure text. Learners are expected to pass this course assessment with a minimum of 71% out of 100%. I plan to teach this course in 4 weeks. Analyze. During the analyze phase, I have created the following questions. 1. Have you ever studied procedure text? When? Where? 2. What do you know about procedure text? 3. What are your expectations for this course? These questions are focused on getting important information that is different from each student. The first question allows me to know when students have studied procedure text and where they have studied. The second question allows me to find out what prior knowledge my students have on this topic. This information will help me identify, analyze, obtain information, get ideas, decide what a starting point is, and teach and reinforce it. The last question will give me an idea of what students want to learn and how they want to learn. Furthermore, learners expect to understand and learn as much as possible to improve their language competence and get the highest score. Design. After collecting data, I have decided to create a 4 weeks course based on the timeline provided to me by my academic director. I create a syllabus with relevant information about the course. Week 1, Activity 1, observe carefully the meaning of procedure text, example, and uses being studied in the video. Serve Activity 2, summing up the points. Important things that appear in the newly implemented learning activity. Activity 3, write important points from observation and reading regarding the meaning of procedure text, example, and uses. Activity 4, doing questions and answers and discussing the material. Week 2, Activity 5, the teacher reviews the material that has been delivered to make sure students still remember the material. Activity 6, the teacher gives assignment to students to make procedure text, according to the pictures that have been provided in groups. Activity 7, students from groups of 4 people. Activity 8, students fill out worksheet according to the picture provided. Activity 9, describe the picture orally in front of the class. Week 3, Activity 10, the final text is to make procedure text according to the selected object. Development. During development, I will prepare myself to make my best appearance and help my students in the way they ask. In delivering the material, I will use appropriate technological tools such as interesting and useful videos and interactive activities to keep students engaged and motivated. Implement. I will prepare all the material first. I will also prepare what media are used in delivering my material. Then I will deliver material that I have prepared. After I convey all the material, I will try to give assignment to my student, which then I will review the results of their understanding of the procedure text material. Evaluation. For evaluation, on the first day of class, I will ask my students about their expectations in the course. Discuss the syllabus with them to get their opinion and feelings about it and make modifications if necessary. During the course, I will ask my students what they know and what they want to know about procedure text, and I will take notes for future reference. In addition, I will use various kind of learning media in delivering the material, and then I will give assignment both in groups and individually to check the achievement of the subject. At the end of the course, I will ask my students what they learned, also what tools and resources they prefer to use. Formative and summative evaluation will help me reflect on my performance to make modifications, make valuable decisions for performance, and better course design. Okay, this all about my lesson plan using a model. If I have any mistake, I feel so sorry. Thank you for your attention. Thank you for watching. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.